On this day of World COPD, my request to all the people, my suggestion or my advice to all the people who are smoking, please stop smoking. Smoking is most dangerous to the lungs. Smoking makes the lungs so weak, where they are prone for number of infections like pneumonias and so many things. Cancer and gas trouble and strokes and heart attacks. Smoking causes more than 20 diseases in the body. So it is better to stop the smoking. And smoking, if you take 100 people, if they smoke, they do so, 95% of the people do so at the age below 25 years of age only. So it is the responsibility of the parents and teachers to tell repeatedly to this young age group people, smoking is injurious, really injurious to the health and leads to many complications. So this is better to discontinue the smoking with immediate effect. And that can save the people's lives, people's money, people's time, and so many benefits are there. So now the 80 million people are suffering worldwide with the COPD, and COPD is the 4th leading cause of death in the world. And in India, and nearly around 10% of males and 4 to 5% of females are already suffering with COPD, and this number is probably to go up every year because of the increased smoking and increased pollution and so many types of living habits are changed and environmental changes. So many changes are taking place, so the lungs are becoming weak and weak every day. So first we have to stop smoking, and we have to do lot of breathing exercises every day so that we can protect the lungs, and also vaccination. So the first symptoms of COPD is the smoker's cough, breathlessness. Whenever he runs, whenever he climbs, whenever he carries some weight, he feels breathless. So there are the symptoms. Cough is there, particularly 3 months in a year, like that 2 or 3 years. If the same patient is having 3 months cough in a year, we have to suspect COPD. Anybody who is coughing most of the times should go to the doctor and check the lung function test that is called spirometry. Through that test, we can know what is the capacity of the lungs, what is the function of the lungs, how much function has come down, and how to rectify that function back to the normal. So this is very, very important. The first point is to stop the smoking. Asthma and COPD, they look alike, but asthma starts in childhood, always. Always asthma and allergy starts in childhood, and this is the disease which is most of the times acquired through the genes and environmental interaction, and smoking is the one which is purely acquired because of our habits like smoking, because of the uncontrolled pollution and serious infections in the childhood, and so many other causes are there for the COPD. COPD generally presents after 40 years of age. Asthma presents always before 40 years of age, particularly in childhood.